So, welcome back. In the previous module, we went through PRINCE2 principles. In this module, let us look at what is PRINCE2 theme and what are those 7 PRINCE2 themes. So, PRINCE2 themes describes the aspects of project management that must be addressed continually. The 7 themes are integrated and they link together effectively. The 7 PRINCE2 processes apply the actions relating to the themes, and these themes can be tailored to suit the project environment. The 7 PRINCE2 themes are business case, organization, change, quality, risk, plan and progress. Now, let us look at the PRINCE2 themes one by one. Business case theme. So, this theme focuses on continuous justification of the investment done by the organization for their desirability and viability. Organization theme. So, organization theme focuses on establishment of a project team required for a project. Quality theme. Quality theme focuses on establishing a quality management approach for quality management in the project, which basically involves planning, means quality planning and quality control, and project assurance, which is aligned to quality assurance of organization. Change theme. So, every project which is initiated in an organization introduces change to an environment. So, changes happens as part of the project as well while project is progressing. So, this change theme focuses on the change management while doing the project in a specific project environment. That is to introduce the change to an environment as well as to handle those changes which comes across during the project to the basic scope which is established for the project. Risk theme. So, risk refers to an uncertainty which would occur as part of a project. So, this theme stresses on identification of the risks for the project and ensure those risks are analyzed, assessed and specific responses for the risk are proposed and implemented. Plans theme. Plans theme facilitates the required communication and control, defining the means of delivering the products of project. This is a backbone for management of information required during the project, must include the cost, time, risk, quality, continued business justification throughout the project. Progress theme. Progress theme focuses on monitoring and reviewing the project's progress throughout the project life cycle. It checks for project's progress in terms of the cost, the time and the scope, as well as quality and risk and creation of the benefit which would happen as per the stages defined and as per the milestones defined as per the project, and reviews at the end of the project to understand is the required benefits are created for users. Just to summarize, as part of this module, we understood 7 PRINCE2 themes. In the next module, we are going to check business case theme.